Good morning, student. Class 5th, Computer, Lesson number 5, Windows 7 Accessories. Introductions. Windows operating system ships with some handy application known as Windows Accessories. Calculator, Notepad, Paint, Explorer, WordPad are some of the most frequently used accessories. Apart from above mentioned application, Windows has few tools for easy of access and some system tools. We will be briefly taking about them here. Calculator is a calculating application included in all the version of Windows. It can be used to perform simple calculation, scientific calculation and programming calculation. Open method number 1. Click choose the start button. Click program. Click accessories. Calculator to start calculator application or method 2. Alternately, you can open run dialog box. Type run. Dialog box then type CALC and click enter. From view menu choose the required types of calculator: standard, scientific and program statistical. Edit, copy and paste commands can be used to input the numbers into calculator or paste the result to other application. Calculator was the first included with the Windows 10 as a simple arithmetic calculator. In Windows 3.0 as a scientific mode was added which included exponent and roots, logarithms, factorial based functions. Trigonometry support radian, degrees and degradients, angles, base, conversion, 2, 8, 10, 16, logic operations, statistics, functions such as single variable statistics and linear regress. In Windows 7 supports programs statistics, unit conversion, date calculation and the worksheet modes were added. Calculator interface was removed for the first time since its introductions. On the right of the main calculator, one can add a panel with data calculation, unit conversion and worksheet. The included worksheet allows one to calculate a result of a chosen field based on the value of the other fields. Snapping tool is another useful of the Windows accessories included in Windows 7, Windows Vista, and Experience Pack for Windows XP Table PC Edition 2005. It was originally released as a power toy for the table PC. The program its screen capture tool that allows taking screenshot call snaps of an open Windows. Rectangular area or free from area are the entering screen. Snaps can be annotated using a mouse or a table saved as the image file, PNG, GIF, or JPEG files, or an HTML page or email page. The snapping tool captures all of parts of the computer display screen as a picture. You can save the picture and attach it to an email or paste the picture into a document. Click the start button, type snap and click the snapping tool. Toolbar appears. Snapping tool can be used to print screen, add noted and use in other application. Paint. Paint, formerly Paintbrush for Windows, is a simple graphic painting program that has been included with all versions of Microsoft Windows. It is often referred to as MS Paint or Microsoft Paint. The program opens the save files as Windows bitmap 24-bit, 256 color, 16 colors and monochrome .bmp .jpeg .gif. Paintbrush supports GIF without animation or transparency. Since Windows 98 Paint supports GIF with transparency, it's also support PNG without alpha channel and TIFF without multiple page support. The program can in color mode or two color black and white, but there is no graphical mode. For its simplicity, it's repeatedly become one of the most used application in the earlier version of Windows, introducing many to painting on a computer for the first time, and the still has strong association with the immediate usability of the old Windows workspace. Character map. Character map is utility included with Microsoft Windows operating system and is used to view the characters is any installed found to check what keyboard input alt code. It's used to enter those characters and to copy characters to the clipboard in lieu of the typing them. The tool is usually useful for entering special character. It can be opened via the command line or run command dialog box using the charmap CHARMAP commanded. Notepad. Notepad is common text only paint text editor. The resulting files typically saved with the .txt extension. This is the name of extension .txt. Have no format tags or style, making the program suitable for editing system files that are to be used as a DOS environment. Notepad supports both left to right and right to left based language, and one can alternate between these viewing formats by using the right or left control plus shift keys to right to left format or left to right format respectively. WordPad. Microsoft WordPad is a free rich text editor included with the Microsoft Windows 95 and the later. Earlier to Windows 95 there used to be an application called Write for the same task, although capable of the doing much more than Notepad. WordPad is not as advanced as Microsoft Word. WordPad can perform and print text and lacks intermediate features such as a spell checker, thesaurus, and supports for table. As such, it is suitable for writing letter or short space but underpowered for work that relies heavily or graphically of are typically setting. System tool. For a smooth performance of system predict maintenance in necessaries. Tools like disk check, disk defragment, etc. help in system maintenance. Windows including some of the system utilities such as disk cleanup, defragment, system restore control panel, and so on. Disk cleanup in Windows 7 Vista and XP. Disk cleanup free disk space by clean areas that gather unneeded files. Using disk cleanup regularly along with scan disk DEFRAG and up to date virus pattern with help keep your computer running smoothly. Method. To run disk cleanup from the start menu, select program or all program, then accessories, then system tools, and then disk cleanup. Second, select the drive on which you would like to clear disk space, usually your C drive, and click OK. Select from the 4 areas that disk clean up with check and clean up. Temporary internet files. File stored on your local drive that allows web page to load more quickly. Downloaded program files. A storage location for programs downloaded when you visit specific website that use ActiveX and Java applet. Recycle bin. Files that have been marked as deleted. Temporary files. Items in TEMP folders. Disk defragment consolidated files so that each is saved in continuously physical space on the hard drive. When your computer crash on freeze, the files may be broken up and stored in different locations in your computer. This queues programs and files to run more slowly. To run disk defragmenters, first, close all programs. Second, choose Start menu, All program, Accessories, System tools, Disk defragmenter. Select the drive you want to clear and check OK. Click Close or Defragment. If the drive needs defragmented and you choose defragment, these may take several minutes to several hours depending on our numbers of the files to consolidated. System restore. System restore is a feature of a Windows that allows you to roll back the system to same configuration it's had an earlier time. If this feature is turned on, which it is by default, Windows will take periodic snapshot called restore points of your installation. If can use the information gathered in these snapshot to restore your system to a previous configuration. It is a good idea to create a restore point before you make major changes, new hardware or drive, doing any major updates. To run system store, go to Start button, Program, Accessories, System tools, System restore. The system restore screen will can up. Follow the on screen instructions. Format. There are times when Windows become so damaged or so compromised by the hacker and the Trojan programs that the only through solution it is the essentially start all over. This is the accomplished by formatting your program and the data on your machine and reinstalling Windows. The format creates a new roots direction and files system for the disk. It can also check for bad areas on the disk, and it can delete all data on the disk. To be able to use a new disk, you must first use this command to format the disk. Control panel. The control panel is a part of the Microsoft Windows graphical user interface. It allows user to view and manipulate basic system setting and control via applet. You can use control panel for the tasks such as editing hardware, editing and removing software, controlling user accounts and changing accessibilities options. Additional applets can be provided by third-party software. In recently version of the Windows, the control panel has two views, classic views and the categories views, and it's possible to switch between these through an option that appears on either the left side or top of the windows. The classic view consists of shortcuts to the various control panel applets, usually without any descriptions other than the more name. The categories are seen if the user use default view. The category view consists of categories which, when checked on display the control panel applets related to the category. In Windows Vista, the categories use applets below the name of the category. Okay, I think you understand what is the means of Windows 7 accessories. If you any confusion, any doubt, you ask me in my personal WhatsApp. And everyone read the chapter lesson number 5 2 and 3 times. Okay, if any confusion in the chapter, you message me in my personal WhatsApp. Okay, see you, bye, Allah Hafiz.